He is not considered a suspect in Michael Jackson's death. Still, people are making threats on the life of cardiologist Dr. Conrad Murray. Today, Dr. Murray's attorney here in Houston said the Los Angeles Police Department has offered protection for Dr. Murray.
We got a phone call this weekend from LAPD asking if we wanted protection, that they were prepared to provide that for Dr. Murray. And we declined, and he continues to get threats, mostly internet, but it's a concern.
Dr. Murray's primary practice is in Las Vegas. That's where he first met Michael Jackson when one of Jackson's children got sick in Vegas. They became friends, and recently Dr. Murray agreed to be Jackson's personal physician on tour. His attorney says Dr. Murray will stay in California for now.
He wants to make sure that homicide, they don't have any questions for him, the investigators there. And then he's probably going to make his way to Nevada, where his family is. And at some point, he's going to come to Houston.